Hi, this is Tommy from Streamline Systems. Today we'll be showing you how to maintain your MOBI hard water cleaning system. This video will apply to users of both the MOBI Maxi and MOBI Midget RO systems. To change your carbon pre-filter, use the included spanner to unscrew the clear pre-filter housing and dispose of the used filter. Slide the new filter into the pre-filter housing and attach to the system, making sure the housing is safely tight and secure. To replace your RO filter, disconnect the outlet and waste water hoses from the front of the filter and remove the inlet hose from the back. Using a ratchet and spanner, unscrew the bracket from the base of the housing and remove the cap. Use a flathead screwdriver to assist the removal if necessary. Remove the membrane from the filter housing and replace with the new one. Make sure the arrow on the filter is pointing in the direction of the outlet and wastewater ports. Reattach the cap until it is sealed tight. Reattach the brackets and connect the outlet, wastewater and inlet hoses to the correct ports. To change the DI resin cartridge, use the spanner to open the DI housing. Open the cartridge and dispose of the used beads, replacing them with MB115 Tolsion resin. Ensure the sponge ends are repositioned, tightening the cap and reattaching to the system. If using the battery-powered MOBI Midget, make sure the battery is fully charged before each use. The battery will need approximately 5 hours before it is fully charged, which will provide between 8 to 12 hours of use depending on flow.